Hey guys, Matt Moreland Realtor here with 4 tips today to help you get your home ready to list for sale. So the first one is paint. If you have any cracked or chipped paint or outdated accent walls, go ahead and give them a fresh coat of neutral colors. It does help the home feel a lot more modern. So the second one has to do with flooring. If you have any chipped or damaged tiles, scuffed up, roughed up wood floors, or clearly stained carpet, consider getting them professionally cleaned or refinished if that will get the job done. If not, take into consideration that you might need to get those replaced to get your home sold, because this does play a huge role in how buyers see your house. Third has to do with landscaping and really bringing some more vibrancy and curb appeal to your home. Whether that's adding some fresh mulch and seasonal flowers to a flower bed or sodding a muddy yard, this really does help draw the buyer from the curb into your home. Fourth and finally has to do with fixtures and hardware. If you have any leaky faucets or rusty appliances, go ahead and get those replaced now. And if you've been considering switching from old outdated brass hardware to some more modern brushed nickel look, now is the time to do that as well. So I hope these tips help you guys, and let's get those houses sold.